Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SOS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a pullback day here on this one, so certainly some updates need to be done here from the technical point of view. First update that needs to be done just comes from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, which is exactly what played out here. So 775, for those of you that watch the video from Monday, hopefully you remember me talking about that level as support. But with the gap down this morning, at that point, you would expect that the area to act as resistance, and not only did it act as resistance once, but actually twice. So 775 is going to be that first key battleground moving forward, where if the price does continue to consolidate and then work its way back upwards, that's where the question mark now resides. Not necessarily can the price get back up to 775, but the price, can it break above that level and stay up above it? That'll be the main dynamic to watch, like I said, from the resistance side of things. So keep an eye on 775 as that first key important level of resistance. As far as levels of support are concerned, so far so good. What do I mean by that? Well, that pink line right there represents the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average. I mean, even if you have a basic surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of that 200 period moving average, and you can see that right there. That's why it's famous. I mean, check out how the price bounced beautifully right off that level, which is right there at basically 675. So 675 remains that key level of support, and then again, 775 represents that main area of resistance. So keep an eye on those couple levels moving forward, but from the technical point of view, those are certainly the two main levels that I would argue matter the most right now as far as the technical chart is concerned. But let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.